Hey guys, welcome back. We're doing Prop Hunt still with Frosty.
Hello guys, it's
Sharky.
Sharky again, here with Human, and a new friend we just made named Frosty. You will see him in the first episode and this episode.
Frosty, I'm gonna give you a nickname.
It is now Frosty.
Okay.
I'm gonna call you Hugglebud.
Hugglebud.
Ow.
And I'll just call you Frosty.
You are now Hugglebud.
Hello, Buggy.
Hello, Bug. You will always be Frosty to me, Frosty.
Frosty is a rapist.
Frosty, the rapist.
Someone else find that
Therapist.
Frosty, the therapist. He's here to fuck with your head.
Frosty the pervert. Any of you guys actually know that song?
Yep.
Which one?
Frosty the pervert. His dick would grow when he pecked snow was cold and icy crunch. Oh, Frosty the pervert. No shit, look it up. This is a real thing.
My God. I will be honest, that's a new one for me.
Awesome.
Of all the things I've been used.
You've been used? Ah, you poor child.
Found you.
Don't ground us.
Tickle your scrotum for a freebie.
He will reach around.
Sharky will lick it for you.
I don't have a tongue. For I am a shark.
Only human.
You have a tongue, you do the licking.
I bleed when I fall down. Actually a real song, man.
I know. More human than a human. More
know that
human
song
than a
still.
human. More human than a human. That's like some like metal song.
What the shit happened in here?
Sorry.
Damn it, you took my line. I was gonna say sorry.
Where will you be when diarrhea hits?
On the moon.
Miley Cyrus in concert.
Oh God, no.
That's super descriptive.
No what? I think I'm just
Like
gonna
a wrecking ball.
I came in like a wrecking ball. It shot out like a wrecking ball. I've never seen shit hit the wall. Disappointment. No. I'm gonna cut that out.
Yeah, you should. So, what's a good song we could do?
I don't know. Frosty,
Ah.
it's still your turn to choose a song, buddy.
I'm gonna pick a song.
Yeah!
Guys, I got the song. You guys ready for the song?
Nope.
Gonna be Guns N' Roses.
Oh yeah.
It's you sweet child of mine. Frosty, because you've been such a bitch for all the other songs, you have to start.
The cars.
Failing me.
Fine, then pick a song you actually know from beginning to end.
You've got edge. Okay, at least no Fade to Black by Metallica or something, bro.
I don't know the lyrics to that song.
I don't either, but if he doesn't know it,
Hold on 1 second.
are you gonna pull up lyrics like a little bitch?
Nope.
Okay.
That's a total yes. So whoever's getting shot right now, oh, that's probably Frosty getting shot. Are you getting shot at, Frosty? Nope.
That's why I was holding on. I needed a spot.
Ha 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 ha! I am a bird. Ah, ah, ah. I'm back up on the pole.
The best spot ever.
I'm hiding where you were hiding the first game.
I see you.
I'm a professional hider.
I'm a professional hider. I'm up on the pole. Ding 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 ding. Okay, Frosty, at least tell me you can sing. What does the fox say?
Hold on, fuck.
What's up, Halo? You like my spot?
It's halach.
Halach. Halach. What are you doing, Fishy? Frosty! See you, Frosty. Hi.
Wow, what a great spot.
That's very, very easy to fall off.
Do you remember how What Does the Fox Say start? Frosty, do you remember how What Does the Fox Say start?
Cat
Dog goes
woof.
woof. Cat goes meow.
Now,
I know specific parts of the song. I don't know full songs.
what does the fox say?
Ding 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 ding.
Yak, 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 yak.
Pow, 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 pow. Okay, Frosty,
Nigga.
pick a song. Pick a song. Ding 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 ding. Ha! It says I win.
It says, Halach is a person.
Ring 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 ring. Banana phone. You must know the banana phone song. Or bird is the word. Family Guy taught us that song. I am the one and only ultimate troll. Human doesn't even need to taunt.
Too awesome to taunt.
Num 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 num. Well, they seem retarded.
You're the only one left. I had a super spot ready too.
Dick bitch.
Let us step outside now. Ah, fuck, my back hurts.
I'm getting out of there. While I can. Cause they're coming. Oh shit, the grate's not broken.
Okay, fine. Frosty?
Yeah, brah.
You at least know Johnny Test?
Got a campfire hair and a turbocharged backpack.
Johnny Test? Or
Yeah.
Johnny Quest?
Test.
Quest or Test?
Test!
Combo breaker.
It's totally.
Okay, I guess.
Hear you right there.
We're totally doing this now, so.
Well,
Ended my video.
bye guys!